Claude Bentley Legacy is a portfolio for plant design and project services. Our core business is training draftsmen, mechanical fitters, and welder artisans in the engineering field. Children should be more exposed to the engineering world, to all the possibilities that exist and the careers that exist within the engineering world, since our everyday lives revolves around engineering. The Claude Bentley Legacy is transferring the skills to the various youth by offering them bridging program, which includes mechanical fitters, welding opportunities through partnership with Sasol. The future of our business relies on the young kids in the society today. As Sasol is exposing them to various fields, they can take the business forward when our strength runs out. Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it is done." If you can dream it, visualize it, then you can attain it. The key is to start.